for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for duck, duck. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. G for goat, goat. H for hat, giant hat. I for igloo, igloo. J for jelly, jelly. K for kite, kite. L for lion, lion. N for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for octopus, octopus. P for pig, pig. Q for queen, queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for sun, sun. T for tiger, tiger. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, W for whale. S for xylophone, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, zebra.
Great job, friends! Learning is fun with Bim Bam Kids! Please like, subscribe, and share for candy! Yum, 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 bon, yamane!